Hello everyone, welcome back to my channel. My name is Imtiaz and this is the 5% Club. This is another market analysis video, so let's get right into it. So guys, market gave a good gap down, like gap up today, and immediately it started gapping down. Okay, so this kind of moves are expected in market. So what are my views is what we are going to discuss in this. Thank you so much for your support, whoever supported me. Thank you so much. Keep supporting so I can keep doing my work. So let's see my view on market tomorrow. So if you guys see, market gapped up and immediately started breaking all the support. So this was a support which was taken out. This was a support which was taken out in the last half an hour. Okay, so this is a very scary negative scenario, guys. Okay, only people who have short positions can make money in this. Whoever made short here, okay, for them it was a very big gap up and they had huge losses. But once it broke this swing, everybody shorted and it really rallied down very quick. So this was a pullback. People would have shorted it like this, they would have kept above this, and this was a very good pullback, very good fall. 1:5, 1:6. If people would have kept very tight stop losses, then they would have captured 1:8 also. Okay, even till this it is a very good capture, 1:5. Okay, so let's see our view on market. So tomorrow, if market opens flat or gaps up little, if it comes and crosses 21,275 and below, I will be definitely looking forward to short it, and my position will be, and my take profit will be at 21,000. Okay, 21,000 or 21,000 and 100. This will be my targets. Next is Bank Nifty. Just a minute. Okay, so Bank Nifty also did the same thing today. It went up, then it started falling very rapidly. So tomorrow most probably it might gap up because of profit booking, or morning it might give a green candle. If it comes to 45,270, I will see the price action and short it. Or if it comes directly a gap, like opens flat here or opens gap down and gives a pullback near 44,900, I'll be definitely shorting it, and my target will be 44,310. Okay, so these two are for Nifty and Bank Nifty. Next is US oil. US oil, I have shorted it here. Now I have shorted it, and simply because this is a trend line. Okay, this is a trend line 1 hour time frame. If you see, this is a very good trend line. I have shorted this. The trend line got broken. Shorted it here. So I'm having an expectation of $72.93. This is what I'm expecting market to give. Let's see how the market works. But guys, this place, okay, to trade itself is a very very bad place. I'm showing you this zone, right? This whole zone is totally sideways. Okay, too many of ups and downs. There's no direction. If you guys see, there is no proper direction at all. Okay, that two people for positional trader like me, there is no direction, because we buy it somewhere here thinking some high is broken, it goes, gives a stop loss. So this is a no trade zone, to be honest. So this will be my last trade. If it goes against me, I'm gonna close it and I'm gonna wait till this total zone is broken. Only then I'll be looking forward to trade. Okay, because the whole session I had too many losses. So most probably I think my SL will get hit here. That's what I guess, because see, this is a clear break, and it is going up. There is a very high probability it can hit my stop loss. Okay, so I might sell off here and then look for another trade, or look till the total sideways is over. Okay, next is gold. If you guys see on 4 hour time frame, it's a very good triangle pattern. This is a very good triangle pattern. We can definitely wait for the triangle pattern to be broken before taking any trades. Okay, and I don't have any swing trades for now, guys. Let the market settle down a bit and then we can look into swing trades. All right, so thank you so much. I hope you guys like my video. If you like my content, please like, share and subscribe. Keep supporting. It keeps me motivated, and help me keep giving you more content. Okay, so thank you so much. Take care. Bye bye.